17-year-old Dominic Day faced significant injuries and ruined her basketball career due to her intoxication. But who supplied the alcohol? Coach Carey Knight. In this fictional trial, it was up to the honors argument class to determine if Coach Carey would face charges of negligence. Mock trials have served to train, educate, and prepare young minds as they navigate their future in law-related careers, proving how classes and exercises like these are crucial for the success of future lawyers.
Alcohol to plaintiff Day and took reasonable steps to prevent underage drinking at the get-together.
Coach Knight is legally responsible for the plaintiff's injuries. By providing alcohol to minors and failing to supervise the event, he created and permitted a dangerous condition.
Yesterday in honors argument, we had our first mock trial. For a couple weeks, we prepped out the case. We learned who would be attorneys and who would be witnesses. And yesterday when we played it out, we even brought in a real attorney to act as a judge. I thought it was a really great experience because, you know, we see these types of trials on TV, but we got a real idea of what law is like in real life. We got to play out the whole courtroom experience.
Very honest.
It's a culminating activity for the class in the sense that we talk about argument theory in the first part of the class, where there's argumentation and communication through narrative and story that comes into play when in a trial, when lawyers are putting together a fact pattern to explain to a jury or a judge how to see from a certain perspective the facts in total.
This is a civil case brought by Dominic Day against Coach Carey Knight. You will hear testimony from several witnesses, including Dominic Day, Taylor Montgomery, Devin Richards, Coach Knight, and the police officer who investigated the accident.
In argument class, as the very last thing, and everybody has a role from being a witness to an attorney, and what I do is bring in actual attorneys from outside the school by profession to act as judges so that they can create the experience for the students as much as possible, and then actually have them try the case.
Driving after drinking is dangerous, correct?
Yes.
You underage DUI carry serious penalties, right?
Yes.
All of the 1997 players were asking if there was going to be alcohol.
I'm not sure if I'm going to go to law school or not. That's always something I've considered, but this gave me a really great idea of what kind of I'd have to do to achieve that role, and overall it was a great experience.
When you decided to.
I believe I was.
Did Coach Knight require